Why the US may be ready for a trade deal with India now? The United States appears to fast track a bilateral trade deal with India, driven by the need to diversify supply chains away from China and secure access to critical input. According to GTRA Director Ajay Srivastava, tightening Chinese controls on rare earth export and an intensifying US-China trade conflict have forced Washington to rethink its strategy with allies as it seeks reliable partners to build alternative supply chains. He added that this shift could accelerate a trade deal with India, with the US likely offering 16 to 18% tariff access, higher than the 15% for the European Union and Japan, but below the 20% for Vietnam. A SWIFT agreement would help unwind recently imposed US tariff up to 50% that have squeezed Indian exporters. The deal may move quickly because Washington wants it, giving India relief from the 50% tariff now hurting its exports, Srivastava noted. Yet he urged caution. India should hold firm on its red lines in agriculture, digital trade, e-commerce and intellectual property, and avoid any anti-China clauses that could limit its strategic autonomy. Negotiators face familiar friction. Again, in agriculture, limited market access through tariff cuts and tariff rate quotas on select US products is conceivable, but India remains protective of small farmers and dairy, wary of subsidized US competition. On intellectual property, stricter patent standard risk undermining India's generics industry and access to affordable medicine. In digital trade, the United States typically seeks binding commitment on cross-border data flows, data localization and treatment of digital products. India prefers flexible, best-endeavor language to preserve the domestic policy space, e-commerce rules and FDI in multi-brand retail are additional sensitivities that touch competition, consumer protection and the role of the large platform. Meanwhile, a delegation of senior Indian officials is set to travel to the United States this week to expedite trade discussions. The Indian delegation, comprising of 3 senior officials, is scheduled to visit Washington from October 15 to 17. Commerce Secretary Rajesh Agrawal is expected to participate in the discussion. Last month, Commerce and Industry Minister Piyush Goyal led a delegation to New York for preliminary trade talks. Following those discussions, both India and US agreed to expedite negotiations to reach a mutually beneficial trade agreement.